This is Eric with E3 INNOVATE, south of Nashville in Brentwood, Tennessee. This is a renovated home that we worked on about 5 years ago. We were in charge of design work and the build out of all the mechanical, filtration, dehumidification, all those systems. This home is now for sale actually, and some lucky homeowner is going to purchase a high performance house. Again, super efficient, properly sized, hyperheat Mitsubishi systems that serve 2 air handlers so that you have zoning capacity. You have fresh air ports here on the side, 2 white ports, one allowing fresh air in, exhaust air out. You have a white sealed Crawlspace system. Again, we haven't been here for 5 years, so the dehumidifier is going to be replaced. And the laminate needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but overall, after 5 years, it looks great. You have whole house Kinetico water filtration, a great high quality Marathon water heater. You have, again, a sealed Crawlspace system, 2 nice Mitsubishi air handlers for zoning the home. You have a nice Lennox HEPA filtration system. You have a nice ultra air dehumidifier back there, and then you have a Panasonic ERV. Overall, system still looks great. Just a couple little minor adjustments and cleanup, and the next homeowner will inherit smart investments that will last many more decades. Eric signing off from Brentwood.